All right, I just got delivered this race face stem. It's a 45 millimeter stem, 10 degrees of rise. I just got a new handlebar as well. See my other video in the link description on this one. I'm gonna put this stem on. The factory stem is 60 millimeters, so this is 45 millimeters, and it's got a little more rise to it. So I'm thinking this might just make it a little more comfortable as far as the ergonomics, the riding position. So what I need to do here is I just need to take the Allen bolts off here, take off the cap here, and then these there. Okay, got all the bolts loosened up, took off the cap, so this just slide off. Okay, slides off pretty easily. So what I want to do now is I want to take this off, swap the bar across. All right, I got my new stem installed. It actually went on really easily. Like I was explaining, you just, on the old stem, you unscrew these bolts. Take the ones off that hold the handlebar on, and then there's just this cap here. There's an Allen bolt that takes off there, and the stem pops off. So it installs really easily. So the bar is this Wake Comp Series bar, and they have a matching stem you can get, but I didn't really like the look of it. This race face one, so this is the race face Respond. This is the 45 millimeter with 10 degree rise, and I really like the look of it. That was why I got it. I mean, it's a little bit more than the Wake stem, but I love the look of it. It's just got a great look to it. So I'm happy with it, and because it's a little bit shorter than the other one, it kind of puts that riding position a little better for me, just because I'm a little shorter of a rider. Thanks for watching.